I'm Victoria Torrey-Cappan, and you're joining me for Tips on the Cadillac. And today I'm going to be talking about flying eagle with the arm springs. I feel like there's not a lot of precursors for the breaststroke, and this is one of them because you have to support yourself and you don't have the elevation of the box, the straps, a lot of things. So you have to know that you can get up on your own steam here, really, and you don't have the assistance of the reformer. I'm not really pulling backwards, I'm just pushing down. And you want to have this feeling that you're kind of lifting up from your ribs and from your armpits. My chin is in and my upper back is going into extension, meaning it's in a straight line. The more I push down on the springs, the more I can lift the front line of my body off of the mat. If you can hold this hover position like I am right now, this is a really good way to get strong.